guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And before I get into today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash the heck out of that red subscribe button, because we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once I hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys, so please make sure to subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, then I thank you so very much for your support. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Tangled Dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to be saving Rapunzel from the tower. So what you need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 purple wool. You want to go ahead and place 2 of them on the ground, just like that, guys. Then you're going to need 4 yellow wool, and you want to place 1 of those on each side of your purple wool. So just like that, guys, make sure it looks exactly like that. Now you just want to go ahead, jump up on the yellow wool, and then place 1, 2, 3, and then 1 yellow wool on top, and boom, you are finished with this side. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down, and you want to go ahead and place 1, 2, 3, and then 2 in the middle, guys, and then 1 on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. That's what it should look like, exactly like that. When you finish it, guys, now all you gotta do is light this baby up and go save the princess, and hopefully she'll give you a little kiss after you save her. So let's go ahead and head into this dimension. Wow, we actually landed it that time, guys. Hopefully this loads up quick and I'm not a senior by the time it loads up. Oh my god, it actually did load. Whoa, what was that? There for a minute it was like the tower was like invisible or something, guys. But let's actually go ahead and spawn our pig, because maybe he'll be able to tell us how to go up. What the heck? You just left us. I cannot believe that. Do we have to climb all of these stairs all the way up to the top? No way. I'm just going to tell her to throw down her hair, guys. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Rapunzel, let down your locks. Rapunzel, let down something. She is obviously not letting down anything. I don't think she really likes me, guys. So now I have to climb all these stairs. Hopefully I do not die from exhaustion, guys, because this is a long, long climb. Oh my god, right there she is. And she's dancing. You're dancing at a time like this when I just had to climb all those stairs and I could have died. Wow, those are beautiful locks. And I love how she has like the flowers in there. I wish I had long locks like that. But wow, what was you surviving on up here for so long? Like, there's nothing in any of these chests. Like, what was you doing up here for so long? I would expect like maybe some hand-carved toys or something. Oh my god, this is the mother lode. This is what I was looking for. Chicken, pork chops, fish, bread, cookies. I'm speechless right now, guys. I am speechless. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I was not expecting for her to have all that food. But now that I have got all your food, I'm going to have to take you back to your daddy, and he's going to give me a reward for returning you. So I gotta drop you. Oh my god. What the heck? Trying to save her is going to really end up killing me, guys. It is going to end up killing me. It is not worth the kiss. It is not worth the jelly donut reward that her dad's gonna give me for returning her. It's not worth any of that, guys. You know what? Just go ahead and get back up in the tower. Go ahead, get back up, all the way up to the top. I'm going to blow this tower up with TNT, and I'm going to get you out. Hopefully you do not die, because if you die, then your dad's probably not going to give me a reward for returning you. So let's just go ahead and do it. I cannot believe I dropped all the way down, guys. Like, that was crazy. That was like absolutely crazy. But let's go ahead and blow this tower up. Now, we could have probably caught it on fire, but what's the fun in catching it on fire, guys? I want to see this thing blow up. And hopefully it does not kill the princess, because that would be really sad. So let's go ahead, crouch down, and build right over to a window, and then look into a window like some kind of creep, because that's usually what creeps do, is they look in windows. So let's go ahead and build on up and see if we can see her in there. What is she doing? Oh my god, she's dancing. Whoa. And she don't even suspect anything, guys. You don't even suspect anything. Let's go and like this TNT. Oh my god, she's coming over her. Oh my god, she expects. She's seen me. Oh my god, I hope she doesn't think I'm like some kind of weirdo or something, even though I kinda am. But oh my god. Whoa, she's like floating in midair now, guys. What the heck? We still didn't do our job. We blew up the whole entire tower, and somehow we're still failures. Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.